Okay, this is the Learning the Avidyne Atlas video series. We have a whole series of lessons on the Atlas. This video is going to focus on arrivals and departures. Okay, let's assume we're sitting on the ground in St. Paul Downtown Airport. We get clearance Learjet November 1234. You are cleared from St. Paul Downtown Airport to Chicago Midway Airport via the Zombro 7 departure, Nodine, ODI transition, direct Davenport, Motif 6 arrival, climb and maintain 5,000, squawk 4321, expect runway 27 for departure. So you can see here's our clearance along the bottom, and we briefed the departure, the Zombro 7, and we're on runway 27, so here's the particulars for that. And here's the diagram that shows the Zombro 7. Here's the Motif 6 arrival into Midway off of the Davenport VOR. Here's our transition. Here's Davenport, Bradford, Motif, and then Joliet, and then Midway. So now we want to load this entire flight plan. So let's step through the process here. Okay, we bring up the Atlas. We are sitting on the ground at St. Paul downtown. Highlight the waypoint. Use our FMS knob, move it over to the departure, and select the Zombro 7 by scrolling down. Push enter, select ODI as our transition, and then it'll ask for the runway, and you select runway 27. And there's your entire Zombro 7 departure. So now let's bring the cursor down after ODI. Push in on the FMS knob. We want to enter a waypoint. Geofill nominates the nearest airport, but we want to put in Davenport CVA. So we type that in, CV. Geofill completes the entry. We push enter or hit the FMS button to enter. Motif 6 into Midway, we need to enter Midway first as the airport, and then we can bring up the list of arrivals. Now we can scroll up to the arrival window, push in on the FMS button and get a menu, pull down the Motif 6 with the Davenport transition. Now if we reach up and hit the View Line Select key, switch from expanded to compact, we can quickly review our flight plan. We're at the St. Paul Downtown Airport, Zombro 7 departure, transition ODI, direct Davenport, Midway on the Motif 6 arrival. Press the Line Select key to activate the flight plan. Touch the Map side tab to view the flight plan with the map at the same time. Or touch the Map Page button to view a full screen map. Switching to the TAWS tab shows the 3D synthetic vision view of our departure. So that covers arrivals and departures. Also look for other videos on all the other Atlas lessons shown here as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to pilotsupport@avidyne.com. Have a great day and fly safe, everyone.